when you want to use collection with unique elements and you don't care about the ordering and indexing, then the set is the best solution. And that's because the set is unordered and unindexed collection. Also doesn't allow any duplicate elements inside it. And to define new set, we put the elements between curly brackets. And now let's move to the coding to see how can we deal with the set in Python. So, as I mentioned, to create set, we have to use a curly bracket. So, for example, my set, then curly brackets, and let's try with orange and blue. Let's try again blue to see what should be happened. Then, for example, black, and let's try to use, for example, numbers. So here, if I try to print my set, then as you can see, the duplicated value are not allowed. So here, for example, I wrote blue twice, but I get 1. The same for 3 and 3. And now, if I want to add new item to my set, then I can use add method, which is built-in function. So for example, my set dot add, then let's say yellow, then print my set, and as you can see, yellow in the middle. Actually here it look like arranged set, but actually it's just a coincidence, so don't think a lot about that. And now if I want, for example, I want to copy this set to another one, so let's say copy set equal to my set dot copy, then I will get copy of my set. So as you can see, also we can delete items from the set, but actually we have 4 built-in functions with a little bit of differences. So for example, the first one, let's try with, for example, pop. So let's try with copy set, then pop, then the number 3 will be deleted. After that 6, then 7, 9, yellow, black, blue, orange, and now it's empty. I get that as this error because the copy of set without any items. If tried with my set dot pop, then 3, 6, 7, 9, yellow, black, blue, orange. Actually, it's might look like you are deleting by indexing or by arranged set. So maybe if you try it on your computer, then you will get different result, as you can see here. So it's just coincidence. So what you have to know that pop delete randomly, not by indexing or ordering, because with set we have to forget the ordering and indexing. So here it's just coincidence. Let's clear also. So the second built-in function, for example, remove, for deleting of course, remove, then I have to declare my set, then my set equal, make it so. Now if I print my set, then I will get my set. And now if I try to remove, then I have to enter the items which I want to delete it. For example, I want to delete 7, then I enter 7. Let's print my set. So as you can see, the number 7 was deleted. For example, let's try with another one. Then the number 1 was deleted. And now the second one, which is, so as you can see, the difference between remove and pop, that remove I have to pass a parameter which is the item, while pop will delete randomly. So my set dot, then discard, and also here I want to pass, for example, it's not string, it's number. So as you can see, the number 2 was deleted. Actually here there is a small difference between these two functions. Let's try, for example, with s equal to, let's make it, for example, empty, and then I will remove, use discard, and I will enter random string, then here was declared as dictionary. So s equal to s, for example, s d and 3, then s, as you can see, it's set. So if I use discard, s, I forget to pass argument, then I will delete the second one, which is a, and the third one, which is 3. And now the set is empty. So if I try to delete random item, for example a, which is not exist in s set, then as you can see, I didn't get anything. But if I try the same set with remove, then remove, and I will pass 3, then s, then a, and now as you can see, s is empty. If I try to delete, for example, random one, which is a, for example, then I will get error, which is k error a. and that means the item A is not exist in the set. So here is the difference between these two functions. With the remove, if the items which I want to delete it not exist in the set, then I will get error, while in discard I will not get anything, will return none. So finally, with the fourth function for deleting, which is clear, and actually clear used to clear all the items in the set. So s dot clear, then if I try to see, as you can see, the set is empty. And now let's try to move to another kind of method. For example, for the operation in sets. So now we'll move to another kind of function which deal with the set. For example, the operation in set, which is, for example, the join and union and the difference. So for example, the join, if I want to do join with set, then there is built-in function which is intersection. Let's try. I have to redefine my set, then my set equal, and let's try, and set 1 or set 2 equal to 10, and let's make it 10, 1 and 11. Then if I want to use the function intersection, for example, my set dot intersection, then the second set, which is set 2. So here I will get the common values which is exist in the two sets. So for example, here my set contain 1, also set 2 contain number 1, and I think the 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 also. So as you can see, the common values, it's 1, which is here 1 and here 1, 5, here 5 and here 5, 6, which is here and here, and 7 and 8. So the intersection returns the common values between the sets. Also, we can use intersection update. For example, my set dot intersection underscore update, then set number 2. Then here with intersection update, I will get the value of my set but without the unique values. So I mean by that, I will get these values but without 34 and 4, I think, just, and 2. So the intersection update will return the common value and delete the other value from the original set, which is my set. So if we switch it between these two sets, for example, set 2, make it here, and the opposite for my set, then set 2 will be the original. But now my set is the original. So if I try to print my set, so as you can see, the other items was deleted, which is 2 and 34 and 4, which is unique value in my set. Also, we can use for different operation, for example, the difference between two sets. So for example, my set dot difference, then set 2, then I will get empty set. But if I tried to switch between the sets, so what do you think? I will get empty set or not? Let's try, for example, a set 2. So here, actually, this line differ from this line, and that's because, for example, the first line means return the unique values in my set. For example, return the items which exist in my set and are not exist in set 2. And here, if you can see, this is my set, and here is set 2, and all this item actually are exist in set 2, so I will get empty set. But if I switch it between the sets, then I will get the unique value here, which is not exist in my set. So here with the second line, I will get 11, I think 11 and 10 and 9, I think. So as you can see, 9, 11 and 12. Also, there is difference update. It's the same with difference, but with small difference. So here, set, then here I will get the unique value in set 2, and the common value will be deleted. So set 2, then as you can see, here we get just 9, 11 and 10. With difference, actually return just the unique values but without removing the others. But here with difference update, we'll get the unique values and the common values will be deleted. Let's try with another set, because I forget to print the output for set before using difference update. So for example, here I will S1 and triple C, then I will use 3, 4, 5. Then if I use ss dot difference and here I will get 1, 2. try to print SS, then I will get the original set. So here the returned value was the unique value. While let's use difference update. So the same one but with update. So now if I try to print my set, then I will get 1 and 2, and 3, 4, 5, which is common value or common items, was deleted. So that's it for the difference and difference update. Also, we have symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. So let's try. I made mistake. I have to redefine my set. So let's try. Sorry, curly brackets. Then 1, 2, and set 2. Sorry. Set 2. Let's make it from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now let's try with symmetric differences. So here my set dot symmetric difference with set 2. So here I will get with symmetric difference the same like difference. So difference return the unique values, but with symmetric difference then I will get the unique value from the two sets. So here I will get the unique value from set 2 and my set, while in difference I will get the unique value from my set only, the original set. So let's try. Sorry, there is C symmetric sorry, here difference. Symmetric differ. Sorry, I have to add E. So as you can see, so let's repeat because I made mistake again. So here I will get the unique values from the two sets and the common values. I will get the unique values, all items except the common values. So here, for example, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0, then 10, 11, 12. So here, so the common values, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, will be ignored. So now let's try with the symmetric difference update. So my set dot symmetric difference, then update, and set 2. Here also I will get all the items except the common values. So here I will get these values but with small difference, which is these values, for example, which is the values of set 2 will be inserted to my set. So here with symmetric difference update, I will get all the output will be all items except the common values, which will be deleted, and the unique values in the second set will be inserted to the original. So let's see now my set. Then as you can see, the unique values of set 2 was inserted to my set. So here is the difference between symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. So let's repeat. Symmetric difference will return all items except the common values between the two sets, while symmetric difference update will return all the items except the common values, which will be deleted from my set, and the unique value in set 2 will be added to my set. So the common values will be replaced with the unique values in set 2. And now let's see first set 2 and my set, and now I will use union built-in function, which return the union of my set and set 2. So here, for example, my set dot union set 2. So here, as you can see, the values, all the items from my set and all the items from set 2, and we have to notate that the duplicated values are not allowed. So here, if you can see here, there is 12 and here is 12, but in the result I have 12. The same for 11, and actually all the items are the same except I think number 6 here with set 2. And for the first one, from 0 to 5. So that's it, union. Also, I can use another method, for example, update. So update, for example, let's my set and set 2. So now if I want to use update, for example, my set dot update, and I will use set 2, then here my set will be inserted with the value of set 2. So, but the same, the duplicated value are not allowed. So my set, so as you can see, here is number 6 with my set. Also, we can use another function, for example, to check if, for example, my set contain set 2, or for example my set belongs to set 2, or for example if my set subset of set 2. So let's try. For example, my set dot, for example, is disjoint. For example, disjoint, I remember it. So is disjoint return true? Return false if there is common values between two sets, except that will return true. So here with set and my set will return false. Sorry, set 2, then I will get false. Let's try with different, which is for example contains string. Then if I try with s, then I will get true, because there is not any common values between s and my set. And that's it for is disjoint. Test if there is common values between two sets or not. Also I have is subset, which check if, for example, my set subset will check if my set subset of set 2, then it will be false. And that's because here is my set and here is set 2, and as you can see, first my set larger, so that's enough to be false. So if I switch it between them, so maybe we'll get true. Let's check before set 2. So let's check. I think yes, because my set, where is, I update my set with values of set 2 here. Yes, so actually will return true, and that's because actually set 2 is subset of my set. And now with the last function, which check the opposite of subset. So with a superset will check if, for example, let's try to write it before set dot is superset, then set 2. So here to check if my set contain set 2, and here I will get true, and that's because it's really set 2 my set contain set 2, but the opposite will be false. For example, my set and set 2, then I will get false. And that's it for the method or the built-in function with set, and the operation also, which we discussed. So now let's finish this video with using for loop, the set with for loop. So for example, if I had my set again, then with random values, so here and red, blue. So sorry, what's happened here? sorry, here is no. So now let's try to use the loop. So for item in my set, then I will print the items. Item. And now I think that's enough about set. We defined the set. Now we know how to declare set, how to add items, delete items, update set, and how to do operation with set, and how can we use for loop with set. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe me. Goodbye.